Hi, I'm Brandy. This is Hound Dog Hollow, and today I'm unboxing my Midnight Muses box by Sugar Muses. Super excited. This is for February 2020. Let's see if there's any roses in it. Doesn't smell like it. The Witch's Shield. Ooh. Oh, beautiful. Lovely. This is one of my favorite parts. These beautiful. Let's see. Six of Cups. Cute. Very pretty paper. Very pretty smell. I consistently have loved this box since it came out. Card. Candle with a beautiful incantation on it. It's got glitter and it smells like delicious beeswax. We've got Earl Grey tea. Got delicious incense cones. They're funny shaped. Got tea bags. Everything is really pretty in this box. I'm feeling it. I'm really feeling it. Oh. Very clear. Almost looks like kind of broken glass. MidnightMuses Witch's Shield oil. Whew! It got on my face. It got on my face. It's coconut oil carrier or almond oil carrier or something. Whew. It's very mild smell. It's just when it's directly on your lip. Very nice and mild, but my face is shielded for show. I love these little vials. When they first came out, I saw some people mocking it, but I think they're so cute and aesthetically pleasing, and I love them. Warm wood. Still looking for a little cupboard that will fit them. Casting salts. Mugwort. Ooh. It feels pretty. Dragon. Interesting box. Very pretty. Oh, we got a pendulum that says protection. I actually have a ton of pendulums too. This one's very pretty. This one's a nicer one. I like it for sure. Actually, might be one of my favorites. Nice length. Very cool. Oh la la. They got hair, pretty. It's Bill. It's always Bill, isn't it? No eyeball, so not really Bill, but that's what I think of when I think of pyramids. Just put that through there. There we go. Very cool. Okay, let's read about this. This is a very cool box. As witches, spellcasters, and magical conjurers, we draw on ancient wisdom and power found in the universe. Before we perform any magical workings, we must prepare ourselves in our space for the metaphysical journey we are embarking on into the unknown, as we travel through different dimensions. This is where Earth meets higher realms and forms a conduit. All magical ceremonies and rituals should be performed within a magical circle to protect the caster from outside forces or entities, and to focus the magician's intent. It is therefore necessary that we cast a magical circle of protective spirit around us, also known as the witch's shield. This shield is a powerful tool which we cultivate through visualization and discipline. It is a semi-permeable barrier of etheric energy that we use for self-defense and cloaking magic. This shield focuses our own magical power in one area, offering protection from harm while we are performing ritual, ceremony, or energy work. The witch's shield is also created to banish that which does not serve us, a barrier that allows our energy to flow unimpeded while offering strong protection from outside influence. You may wish to have a shield that surrounds you like a bubble that is then released, or you may choose to have one that is tighter against your person, like armor. Warding is a similar technique. A ward is a shield anchored to a physical place. It can protect a single entity, or, given enough power, it can extend over larger amounts of space. Magical wards can be created using the energy of any element: fire, earth, air, or water. The most popular magic wards, though, are the ones made from earth, as they are more stable. This is done by drawing the energy flow upward from the earth. Wards can be anchored with physical objects like gemstones, a statue, a pentagram, or sigil. For this ritual, you will need to pick an object that you will be using for this purpose, so before you start, make sure you have gathered what you will need. Do not break the circle once it is cast. So this is a sage backflow incense. That's why it's funny looking, because it's a backflow incense. So that's pretty cool. I love it. So it also has, I'm not going to read the ritual, guys, I'm sorry. A crackle quartz, ritual candle, casting salts that contain alyssum, angelica, bay, bachelor's button, and sea salt. Can also be used in ritual vase. Wormwood, mugwort, I'll show you this in case you want to do the ritual outline. Witch's shield oil, black currant, violets, night blooming flowers, and green forest, almond oil, and vitamin E oil. Do not put in direct sunlight. Use within a year. Sigil pendant. Protection pendulum and moon phase pendulum artwork. Beautiful. And this is the moon phase pendulum artwork. Earl Grey tea and the tarot card, which is from the Bianco Nero Tarot by Marco Prieto. Very cool. So I'll show you this half in case you want to read that for a ritual. Very cool. I love this box. This box always has really cool, beautiful, unique items. I'm totally digging it. So definitely recommend this box to you. This is Midnight Muses from the same creator as Sugar Muses. This is their February box, and guess what? This is my third February box without any roses. Woo woo. I'm super psyched. I don't hate roses. They're not my favorite, I should say. I like roses magically, visually. I don't like the smell, but I also don't like strong floral smells anyway. I like herby or woody smells. But I digress. I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. This was an amazing box. Check it out. It's reasonably priced. You get a lot of beautiful items, magic, tools, jewelry. There's this beautiful sense of dark whimsy. I love it. Check it out. I'll leave a link below. As always, like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys soon.